Hi and welcome back to this multi-part tutorial series. My name is Novelo, and now we want to create the stand and a support for the handle. Before we move on, I have something done. It should not be done. I saved the project and I filled in something else in the object without showing you. It's just a simple loop cut, and I brought it a little bit up because I want to make here the support metal for the handle, and I don't want that here the curve is going down to here, because I want this here straight down. So I put it one loop cut here, and I add another one, and I add it here where the stand ends. Okay, but that is all about what I have done. I have saved the file and added this loop cut, and now we can move on and we can add another cylinder. It's a circle, it's not a cylinder. Cylinder. Okay. Then we scale it down in the Z-axis, and in edit mode, let's bring it up to here because I want the origin point down here. And now let's scale it inwards like this. Okay. Now we grab we don't grab, we add a loop cut. We add a loop cut here, and somewhere here another one. Then we grab these four guys, these four, these four, and this one. I'm not doing a mirror or something like that because I want to show you how it's done without a mirror. Let's tab out and let's hide just this first. I think we delete this layer here, and we hide the glass. Now in edit mode, switch to top view and scale them a little bit out like this. Then grab, that's too much I think, scale it a little inwards again. Okay, then let's grab these here, this and this one and this one, and top view again. No, okay, that's the wrong one here. I need this one and this one. So scale them out a little bit, and then at last we need these guys here on the bottom, and we scale them out again. Now it doesn't look really cool, but if we add a smooth and we add a subdivision surface, I think it looks really cool. Then we hide the glass. And let's see, we add a solidify modifier, and we have to make sure that this is only touching the glass, nothing else. And on this side here, the opposite side of this here, we are going to extrude this one here, these guys, extrude them and pull them in the Z-axis up. Now let's make sure they're not touching the glass like this. Okay, now we have our stand, and I have to bring the stand down a little bit more. Let's tap into edit mode, select all, and bring it down like this. And let's grab these guys and scale them in Z0. So we have a straight line here, and put it down a little bit more so it touches the red line. Okay, this is the stand, and now we add another cylinder. In side view, we add another one, mesh cylinder, bring this up and scale it in the Z-axis down. So set like this. Then scale it inwards and add a solidify modifier as well. So move and bring the subdivision surface in there. Okay, now I want to add some more for the handle. We pull them out here in the y-axis, and then we add a loop cut without moving, and then we select the other one and we pull them in or push them in like this, and we can now grab these and scale them in the x-axis a little bit more like this. Now we have our stand, and we have the support for the handle on the upper part of the glass. Oh, that's it for this part, and I'll see you in the next part when we model the handle.